Hello, I've had a few requests to see my apartment, so I'm going to take you guys on a little tour. It's a little like MTV Cribs, only Mike version. So here's the front door. Let's go in and take a look. So first thing you'll notice is the curtains. The curtains came with the apartment. Also in the living room, they also came with the apartment. They're okay. I'm working on getting some new ones. Wait till you see the ones in the bedroom. They're something special. This is the study. Right now it kind of serves as my junk room slash things I need to put together for my IKEA room. Over here is the kitchen, and pretty standard kitchen, dishwasher, sinks, whatever, you know. One thing, I'm super into mangoes right now. They have awesome fruit over here. Mango juice is fantastic. Also, Lebanese bread, excellent, serves as a substitute for tortillas. Anyone who knows me knows that I am addicted to tortillas. This cabinet over here is the clothes washer. There are no dryers over here. I'll show you what we do instead when we go outside, because the heat is enough to dry your clothes. Let's take a look in the fridge. Foster's, Heineken, but there are some good stuff, turkey and cheese and things like that. Hummus. Hummus is another staple of Arabic eating. It's not quite as good as my mom's though. Oh, one more thing. I am now addicted to Coleman's mustard. Spicy mustard, it's delicious. Continuing on, the new ride, the most important ride of my life. Fantastic. It's lots of fun. Go out and ride on some open roads and all that here. The weather is starting to get really hot. Today I rode outside. It was like 110 degrees, so getting pretty brutal. Couch, coffee table, pretty standard, very comfortable. Let's see, again, the curtains. This is the patio outside. I'll take you out there in just a second. Flat screen TV, another must when you move to Dubai. And pictures hanging on the wall and everything. You'll notice that it's mostly IKEA, and yes, I put it all together myself. Fantastic. Here's outside. I don't know if the camera's gonna fog up or not. It may because of the heat, and it looks like it is a little bit. Just one second. There we go, that's better. So this is my balcony. You just look outside, there's a little fountain down the street. This isn't a super busy street. Nando's, this little restaurant across the street, is really good chicken. I don't know, it's like kind of jerk chicken stuff. The skyline in the distance, you can kind of see it a little bit, but the fun part about it is, yeah, I got a skyline view, but it's still being built, so it changes weekly. I never know what's going to be put up. And again, we look down the street. Right down here, you can see a little market right in this area. So there's a grocery store and an ice cream shop and all that stuff. Again, my balcony goes all the way down. I'll show you to you again when we get into the bedroom. But I mentioned earlier about the clothes drying, and pardon my clothes out in the middle of it everywhere. But this is how everybody dries their clothes because the weather is so warm. Nobody really has a dryer, so we just put them all outside. So that's pretty much the outside. Let's go back in. And back inside, nice and cool. Come in here. This is the answering phone for the outside when people buzz in. Here's the bedroom, and yes, the first thing you will notice, the curtains are pink. I didn't pick them, they came with the apartment. But they're gonna get changed soon. Pardon the laundry as well, it's laundry day like I said. So here's the balcony again. Just quick show you here, and again the skyline in the distance. Pretty standard bedroom. Again, you'll notice the IKEA furniture. And other than that, the bathroom is right in here. Surprise, surprise, it's blue. Oh, and you'll notice full service bathroom. That's not to wash the sand off your feet. You know what I mean? Anyway, all right, enough. Halas, as we say in the Middle East. So, real quick back tour around. Yeah, that's kind of my apartment. I hope you all liked it. I'm gonna head down to the pool now and give you a little glimpse of the pool. Talk to you soon.